Morning students. Today let us continue in the sums from the brain teasers. From page number 121 we are doing brain teasers. 4 sums I have completed yesterday. Today let us see the fifth one. The fifth question says that write the product form of the following. In this ABT is minus 3p cube q square r minus 3p cube q square r. So we have the question like this. Write the product form of the following: minus 3p cube q square r. So what is the product form? Product form is nothing but the expanded form. So minus 3 into p cube means what? P into p into p into q square means q into q into r. So minus 3 into p into p into p into q into r. This is what the answer is. That's all. Very simple. Okay. Next, BBT is minus y whole to the power of 27. Minus y whole to the power of 27. How it has to be written here? What is the base? Base is minus y. So power is 27. Means what we have to do? This minus y we have to write 27 times. So this is minus y. Minus is not separate. Minus y into minus y into minus y dot 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 dot. How many times? 27 times. Okay, don't say that sir, already we wrote 3 times. No, sir. Out of 27, 3 times are over. So we write only 24 here now. So here how many numbers we write also after putting that we have to write the final number. How many times altogether we want, that many times just to write there. Because 27 is a big number which you cannot write this minus by 27 times here. It cannot fit. Even it fits also, counting and reading will be little difficult for us. Okay, that's why we write minus y into 27. Write a statement to represent a constant. Now question number, that's all. We have now question number 6. Write a statement. Example. Statement means one example. To represent a constant. Write a statement to represent a constant. What is a constant? Constant means whose value will not change. It doesn't mean that constant means telling the number 5, 2, 3. Not writing, telling the numbers. We have to give a statement in which the numerical, there is an answer. One of the in that sentence we have the answer as a number. So fixed number which will not change. So like that we have to give a statement, any statement. Say a simple example I will give you. Now the current month is October month. October month has 31 days. 31, that is fixed anywhere, anytime, any year, every year that October month has 31 days only. So that is a constant. A day has 24 hours is a constant. Okay. A week has 7 days is a constant. February month has 28 days is not a constant. Why? Because February month number of days will change from leap year to non-leap year. That's why it is not a constant. That you should understand and you should give. A day, today temperature of a day is 32 degrees Celsius. That is also not constant because 32 degrees Celsius temperature is not fixed every day. So where it will change. Rainfall is 8 mm. No, that is also not fixed. It is varying, changing every day. You don't get the same rainfall. So like this, you should understand constant and variable. They, whatever the recent examples I give, they are all the examples of variables. Now we have to write the example of a constant to represent a constant. Tell me. There are 24 hours. An hour has 24. A day has 24 hours. Okay, we can write like this also. A day has 24 hours. There are 24 hours in a day. We can write like that also. A day has 24 hours. A week has 7 days. 365 days in a year. That is not constant because leap year, non-leap year will change. Leap year, non-leap year will change. You can specify otherwise. A leap year has 366 days. A non-leap year has 365 days. Like that, if you specify is okay. Otherwise, they will not come an example of constant. Next, write a statement to represent a variable. Same, just now I gave write a statement to represent a variable. Variable means value will change, What variable you will give? Will you tell that I am 12-year old? Now you are 12-year old. Is it always you will be at 12 years old only? You will not grow. Your age will not increase. So that is not constant. So that is a variable. You can write for an example for a variable. Okay. A day, temperature of a day is 32 degrees. Or temperature of a day enough. Temperature, number no need to mention. Temperature of a day. So this is the statement which represents a variable. Well, because temperature of a day is not constant, it varies from day to day. Next, write the product. Write the product form of 2 by 3x whole cube and 2 by 3x cube are the same. Yeah, you should understand this. That is why this question is given. You should understand the difference. Okay. 2 by 3x whole cube product form you want. First, we will take 2 by 3x whole cube. You are able to see, no? 2 by 3x whole cube. So this product form when you want, we have to write the expanded form. What is the base here? 2 by 3x is the base. It's not only x is to be repeated 3 times. 2 by 3x complete, it has to be repeated 3 times. 2 by 3x into 2 by 3x into 2 by 3x. Let us take brackets. Otherwise, we will confuse between x and into symbols. 2 by 3x into 2 by 3x into 2 by 3. Here, where there is a cancellations are there, you can do the cancellations. Otherwise, we multiply all the coefficients. There are no cancels. 3 table will not be cancelled in any of the 2's here. So 2 into 2 into 2, 8 by 3 into 3 into 3. 3 3 are 9, 9 3 are 27. 8 by 7. Now x into x into x. X cube. 8 by 7 x cube. Whereas 2 by 3 x cube is only 2 by 3x into x because the power 3 is only for x, not for 2 by 3. Here 2 by 3 is the coefficient. So we can write 2 by 3 separately and we take the base as x 3 times. Are they both same? So therefore 2 by 3x whole cube and 2 by 3x cube are not same. Are not same. So that is how we write the answer for question number 8. Okay, we will proceed in the next video.